Birds, despite their often melodious presence, can pose several dangers to humans and the environment. One major concern is the transmission of diseases such as avian influenza and psittacosis, which can spread to humans through direct contact with birds or their droppings. Birds can also be significant pests to agriculture, causing substantial damage to crops. Additionally, larger birds, like hawks and seagulls, can sometimes become aggressive, especially if they feel their nests are threatened or are competing for food. In urban settings, pigeons and other birds can create nuisance issues with their droppings, which can corrode buildings and monuments, as well as create slippery and unsanitary conditions on sidewalks. Furthermore, birds can pose hazards to aviation, leading to bird strikes that can result in serious accidents. While birds play